Alright guys, and today we're gonna do a spooky scary skeleton duet. Now I did do that a while back, but that was for Eric's night, so here's another one for viewing pleasure. Plus I want to get comments, so yeah. And of course y'all know I do have two of them, but that is the one that is in the giveaway, and that's the one I'm keeping, so yeah. And there's the frill one, of course, which I only have one of, but yeah. I might do a video of all three of them one day, I don't know, but yeah. This is gonna be very epic, so yeah. So, yeah, I guess we'll play, I'll play them now, so yeah. Hang on, guys. It's like, hey, what's up there? Rudolph the Red-Nosed. Yeah! Alright, so I guess I'll play them separately now. So yeah, here's that one. That's the giveaway. That's the giveaway one that's playing right now. I just put a batteries in it. It works good. Oh shoot. Get out with animals. Alright, here's mine. What was that? Alright, here it is. So I'm gonna do them both again. This is very epic. I like how they do that. You know, since that's awesome, we'll do them again one more time. That's funny. It's like, hey, what's wrong? I'm sad. Is Fro wanna come along? Yeah. Yeah, that was a Gemmy Spooky Scary Skeleton duet. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and bye. Please subscribe, please. I really need to subscribe. So yeah, okay, bye.